Hi, I'm Sophie from Mattress Resources Australia. We are based in sunny Brisbane, Queensland. 50 years ago, the company started here at Brendale. We manufacture different products, bedheads, bases and luxury boutique mattresses. Our main customers that we serve are retail, but we also do a lot of different commercial customers. So that being from a retreat, a hotel, a motel, boarding schools. So whether it is high luxury retreats where they would like a substantial mattress and to feel a certain thing, to maybe a boarding school where they quickly go through their mattresses, we're able to make or produce anything that is according to the customer. So recently we went to the No Vacancy show in Sydney, which was amazing because as we're a small boutique family-owned company, it makes sense that we attend these shows because we get to network with lots of different people. We didn't really have a very big stand at the No Vacancy show, so started thinking about how do we get people onto the stand. So we came up with the idea of possibly labelling some chocolates and handing them out to people that walk past. What that created was people coming onto the stand because of the label and the instructions that had on there, because everybody likes a little bit of chocolate, and then actually saying to us, oh look, we came to see you because we received these chocolates. And from there we were able to then have a chat with people, get to know different people, and they can ask us about the product. There's lots of companies out there fighting for the attention of attendees, but it was so good to be able to have our products that had our branding on it and that had that customization to give that clear to whoever was coming onto the stand or was looking at our products. By having the labels with our names on it at the show, it made it a lot easier for when customers or even people that didn't know us. So by having our names on there and labeling certain parts, it just made it so much easier to converse with people. It was so easy to personalize the labels. We used the design and print software, and then we were able to print that very easily and without any issues whatsoever. Once we printed them, it was so easy to use them, and once we didn't need them, we removed them really easily without having any residue on our clothing whatsoever. Perfect. Using Avery was just so easy to do. We were able to personalise our own labels and print them out ourselves, which just makes things streamlined. I would 100% use Avery products in the future. It just makes life simple.